One of the most productive concepts in 3ds Max is the use of modifiers. Modifiers are discrete operations that get applied to objects to perform certain functions. There are modifiers called object space modifiers that work directly on the object itself. For example, if we apply what's called a bend modifier to an object, it bends the same no matter where the object is in space. These use the object's XYZ coordinate system to determine how they will function. They are very efficient because they are only performing a certain set of functions, and there's not a lot of overhead associated with most modifiers. They're very flexible because they have their own set of parameters, and they can be removed from the object at any time, many without affecting the object, or only affecting whatever that modifier happens to be doing to the model. There are also world space modifiers. These get applied based on the world coordinate system. They function by warping the space or changing the space in which an object exists. If we put a world space bend modifier in the scene and apply it to an object, as we move the object around through space in the scene, it's going to bend differently depending on its relative location to the world space modifier. Another important concept that we've already had some experience with is the modifier stack view. This is in the modifier panel, and it is the window where we were accessing the sub-object level for the 2D shapes and editable poly objects. The stack view is where we will see the history of modifiers on our objects. As you apply a new modifier, it appears in the stack view. This gives you the ability to navigate your stack view and make changes to your objects through the modifiers.